Hello, my magical family. This is प्राची आचार्य. I welcome you to my आचार्य मैथमेटिक्स अकेडमी. एंड आज मैं लेके आई हूँ आप लोगों के लिए क्लास 10 का इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का कुछ बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here we are. So before going for what is introduction to trigonometry, let us understand you must have aware about पाइथागोरस थियरम, राइट? सो थोड़ा सा और रिवाइज करने के लिए we'll draw a right angle triangle. Let's say this is P triangle, right angle triangle PQR, angle Q 90 degree, right? So we know this that what is hypotenuse in right angle triangle? That is side opposite to 90 degree. That means we have here in triangle PQR, we have angle Q equal to 90 degree, and hence opposite side of 90 degree is nothing but PR, that is hypotenuse, right? Therefore, side PR is nothing but our hypotenuse. And from standard 7, I guess we are in touch with Pythagoras theorem कि Pythagoras theorem क्या होता है. So हम अब उसके थोड़ा सा आगे will move this topic for the what are trigonometry and what is trigonometric, what are trigonometric ratios. So let me tell you, once you understood this कि what is hypotenuse, trigonometric ratios is nothing but it is a relation between sides and angle of the right triangle of acute angle, that is to acute angle. Let's say we can write trigonometric ratio for now angle P and angle R, because in this triangle हमें पता है कि जब right angle triangle होता है, so other than 90 degree, other two angles are always acute angles. So this is also acute angle. So in short, we can write that trigonometric ratios of an acute angles in right angle triangle, or you can say in right triangle, is relation between the angles or the angle and the length of its sides. All right. So this is nothing but trigonometric ratios. कि इसमें हम basically क्या देखेंगे, हम acute angle के बारे में we will express acute angles as relation between sides and angle. So let's start with writing one by one, writing them one by one. So I'll just copy down this figure down. Yeah, we have to do some modifications, no problem. So let's say this is our angle, this is our triangle, right angle triangle PQR. And now for suppose we will be writing trigonometric ratios for angle P. हम one by one P के लिए भी देखेंगे and we'll practice it for same angle R also. So we will write trigonometric ratios for angle P, or you can say in 3-letter words, angle QPR or angle RPQ. You know this very well, how to read the triangle, angle name of the triangle. So we have 6 ratios here. We have sine theta, or you can say theta is nothing but angle. So we are representing ratio for P, angle P here. So we will write sine P. All right. So what is sine P? Now, before moving for that, you know hypotenuse in this figure. Now, related to angle P, PQ is a adjacent side, right children? Adjacent मतलब उसको लग के, जिस P and 90 degree को जो side बना रही है, that is adjacent to P, therefore it is adjacent side. And for angle P, again for angle P, we have QR as a opposite, right? This you can identify. QR is opposite side. But once you understood this, you can immediately write down the sin P, cos P and so on. So बस ये याद रखना है आपको, sin में होता क्या है? Sin is always a ratio of opposite side upon hypotenuse. Then what is cos? What is cosine angle? अगर हम इसको पूरा अगर नाम लेना हो तो we can write them as sine, SINE. But in order to write in notations, we write them as SINP. Sin P is a angle which shows the relation between opposite side and hypotenuse, right? Then cosine P, or you can write simply cos P, is the relation or is the ratio between adjacent side. अब ये तो हमें पता चल गया कि what is adjacent and what is opposite side for angle P, right? We are talking about only angle P, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Then we have third ratio as tan P. What is that? Tan P. Tan P is nothing but, let me make this task easy for you. Tan P is nothing but ratio of sin P upon cos P. Ratio of sin P upon cos P. This we can identify so easily that sin P and cos P have same denominators. So while dividing them, they will get cancelled and we will be getting ratio of, let me show you that also. Let's write sin P ratio first. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. And again, it is divided by cos P. So cos P is adjacent. We'll be writing adjacent के लिए only ADJ dot. So it is understood. This is adjacent. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay. Either you can write cancel directly denominators, or you can take a reciprocal of down ratio. So it will be opposite side upon hypotenuse multiplied by, hypotenuse will come in numerator now because we this is a procedure of dividing two ratios. When we divide two ratios, second ratio can be written as reciprocal and as a product with the first one. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So eventually hypotenuse will get cancelled. You can directly cancel them from here also. If you are smart enough, if you can do it quickly. And finally, the ratio of tan P will become, what left only? Opposite side upon adjacent side. अब ये किसकी adjacent side? So you can, if you want to write more specifically to understand, you can write here opposite side of angle P, because we are specifically talking about angle P here. Otherwise, in general, you can just consider कि sin theta. Theta means any random then angle will be there according to figure. So sin theta में क्या होता है? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos में क्या होता है? ऊपर adjacent upon hypotenuse. Tan is a ratio. Tan theta is a ratio of both. So only numerators will come in ratio. That is opposite side upon adjacent side of that particular theta. That is angle. Right? Now, next three ratios that we have are, so देखो, एक बार अगर आप साइन और कॉस समझ गए, then you don't have to refer the figure also. You can write other four ratios so easy. Now, what is fourth one now? We'll just 1, 2, and 3. Now, what is fourth one? So that is cosec. In general, you can write theta, but as we are writing for P, it is cosec P. And that is, again, I'll make this task easy for you. No need to look at the figure. That is the inverse, or that is the reciprocal of sine. So cosec P is basically 1 upon sine P. बस sine को उल्टा कर दो. That is cosec P will be hypotenuse. Reciprocal पता है ना क्या होता है? P upon Q अगर ratio है तो reciprocal will be reverse. And it is upon hypotenuse upon opposite side. And we are done with cosec. Opposite side of P again, right? Of angle P. Everywhere you can mention if you are specifically writing for any particular angle. In general, हम theta consider करते हैं. All right. Now, again, the next one is sec P. Remember the sequence sin cos tan, then cosec sec. तो सीक्वेंस में साइन का अपोजिट कौन होगा? कोसेक. कॉस का अपोजिट कौन होगा? सेक. तो अगेन इट इज सेम लाइक वी हैव डन फॉर कोसेक. सेक इज ऑल्सो अ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ कॉस पी. ऑल्सो आई मीन टू से कि जैसे साइन का रेसिप्रोकल कोसेक है, वैसे कॉस का कौन है? सेक. सो अगेन you have to reverse the ratio of cos p. That is sec p ratio will be hypotenuse upon adjacent side of angle P. Of angle P. Now the last one is, let me show you the full scenario. Yeah. You can zoom out, zoom in from your side as well. Okay. And the last one is cot theta. Sixth one we'll see now. You can take a screenshot or you can write down by pausing the video. So next one and last one is cot theta. या अभी के लिए हम लिखेंगे cot p because we are talking about angle p. So again थर्ड वाला पहला रेशियो कौन सा था? tan p. So tan का रेसिप्रोकल होता है cot. So cot p ratio will be 1 upon tan p. That is just reverse the ratio of tan p. That is, it is cos p upon sin p. And in terms of words, it is nothing but adjacent side of angle P upon opposite side of angle P. right? Now, let me give the short view to you all. See, whenever it is related to sine, so we'll be calling in general now theta, right? Whenever it is related to sine, always the numerator one will be opposite side. Remember, opposite side of that theta upon hypotenuse. Upon hypotenuse. Then for cos, numerator will be always adjacent side upon hypotenuse again. For tan, it is a ratio of sin theta upon cos theta. So it is opposite side upon, देखो साइन के रिलेटेड कौन है, अपोजिट साइड, और कॉस के रिलेटेड नीचे कौन आएगा, एडजेसेंट साइड. सो वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, आपको एक्चुअल प्रोसेस करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, because we are only going to use this in terms of formulae or in terms of examples, right? Now the other three are reciprocal of cos sine, that is cos, cosec theta. That is reciprocal means hypotenuse ऊपर आ जाएगा in numerator and upon opposite side. Just to make the concepts clear, we are revising again. तो आप भी try करो. Next one is sec theta, or you can call it as secant theta. ठीक है? It is reciprocal of cos, तो ऊपर आ जाएगा again hypotenuse. That is in numerator, hypotenuse upon in denominator adjacent side. Now, the next one is cot theta. That is again reciprocal of tan theta. That is adjacent side. देखो tan theta का reciprocal means आप cos upon sin भी लिख सकते हो उसको. देखो, I'll show you that also, so that it can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. So again cos के लिए ऊपर क्या होता है, yes, adjacent side, and sin के लिए क्या होता है, opposite side. So adjacent side upon opposite side. In any way, मैंने आपको दो तीन तरीके याद रखने के बताए हैं. Either you can do actual calculations of for cosec, sec, tan and cot, or once you understood कि sin, for sin it represents opposite side in numerator, cos represents adjacent side in numerator. So other ratios you can write easily. Other than that, cosec is a, यहाँ पे इसके आगे आप तो एक साथ सारा कुछ हो जाएगा, इसके आप आगे आप लिख सकते हो. दिस इज अ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन थीटा. सेक थीटा इज अ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos theta, and we have already written for cot theta that it is a reciprocal of tan theta. So this is all about 6 ratios, basic representation for them. All right. Now, another thing that we can identify from the 6 ratios is that, as we just discussed, for the first one, let's talk about now sin theta and its reciprocal cosec theta. As this we have learned in our I guess 7th or 8th standard, that reciprocals का जो multiplication होता है, that is always 1, because 1 is a multiplicative identity. So here actually we can write like this, that sin theta, right, sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Why? Because see, इसी को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, sin theta, cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sin because it is a reciprocal of sin. and which by cancellation will always give you 1. Correct? Similarly, so we can write for cos and sec. Cos theta into sec theta will always give you identity 1. Again, you can try check out this. Cos theta into sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta, which will always give you will always give you 1. So directly you can remember this. Sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1, because हमने ये 8th स्टैंडर्ड में 7th स्टैंडर्ड में मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी की कंसेप्ट पढ़ी है. And as we know that these two are reciprocals of each other, they will always give you product 1. Next one, क्योंकि 6 ratios है तो 3 products मिलेंगे. Tan and cot are always also reciprocal of each other, so they will give you product 1. Right? So I hope till now everything is clear. Okay. Now the next thing comes about writing trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Like हमने देखा है maths में we mostly do the calculations regarding angle 30, right? So we'll angle 45, then angle 60, then angle 90, 180, and so on. Like such specific some angles. So we'll see now how to write trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. All right. So let me prepare a table. Let's say this is angle theta for 0 degree, for 30 degree, for 45 degree, for 60 degree, and for 90 degree. अभी के लिए यही तक देखेंगे. We can write it for 180 as well. But right now, this much is enough. Okay, now let's write down 6 trigonometric ratios. That is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. पहले इन तीनों को कंप्लीट कर लेते. अब आपको लगेगा इतना सब लर्न करना पड़ेगा, इतने एंगल्स की वैल्यूज लर्न करनी पड़ेगी. सो लेट मी गिव यू अ इजी आइडिया फॉर दिस अगेन. सो फॉर इंस्टेंट, ये फाइनल वैल्यूज नहीं है, जस्ट पे अटेंशन. सो फॉर इंस्टेंट राइट वैल्यू फ्रॉम 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now divide these values by 4 here only, right? So 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, and 4 upon 4, right? So ये तो क्या हो जाएगा? 0 upon 4 will become 0 only. 1 upon 4, let's keep it as it is. No change will be there. 2 upon 4 will be written as in standard form as 1 upon 2 कैंसिलेशंस कर देंगे, राइट. 1 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. Again 3 upon 4 will be as it is. 4 upon 4 will become 1. Now just take a square root of all these values जो हमें after reducing in standard form मिली है. Just take a square root of each value, right? So square root of 0, then square root of 1 upon 4, then square root of 1 upon 2, square root of 3 by 4, and square root of 1. 1, right? So for a while, I'll just erase this cos theta and tan theta. Will write proper values for. So what is the final value for sin theta then? This was just a preparation for your first. तो ये हो जाएगा 0. Now so square root of 1 is 1, right? Square root of 4 is 2. So value is 1 upon 2. Again square root of 1 is 1. So we'll write 1 as it is without any square root notation. So it will be 1 upon, and root 2 का square root 2 ही रहेगा. Now again for this root 3 square root of root 3 will write as it is, and for square root of 4 we will be writing value 2, and root 1 का root 1 ही होता है, अभी हमने देखा, right? So again you may get a question कि मैम ये सारे चीजों के लिए like for other 5 ratios also do we have to do all these things? No, not at all. You have to just either you remember this first line of sin theta, right? Or remember by this format so that आपकी कभी गलती नहीं होगी. अगर rote memorization करने जाओगे so possibilities होती है that we may mix up some values, but like ऐसे याद रखोगे तो you will never forget sin theta का full line from 0 to 90. Now for other angles, it is so easy. No need to do any calculation now further. Now cos theta के लिए, let me give you a quick idea that whatever line you have written for sin theta, just reverse it. मतलब ये 90 वाली वैल्यू आएगी 0 डिग्री में, again in same manner. So reverse the procedure, reverse the value. So now root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 by root 2 will come in same position because reverse position is in middle positions. Now 1 by 2 will come in 60 degree, right? And 0 will come in 90 degree. That's it. We have done for cos theta. So once you understood sin की values, you just have to reverse all the values for cos theta. And now further we know tan theta के लिए what we have to do? Tan theta के लिए we have to take the ratio of sin and cos. So either do this in your mind, और यहाँ पे दिखा करके दिखाती हूँ. 0 upon 1 will be 0, right? Then for this 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, again 2 will get cancelled, so it is 1 upon root 3. और basically आपको पता है कि opposite side upon adjacent आने वाला है, तो आपको just ये ऊपर की दो वैल्यूज लेनी, 1 upon root 3, right? Now for the next one, again it is a ratio of 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, it will get cancelled. The value of tan 45 will become 1. Upper angles आपको, you can write like this. Now next, again we have to take reciprocal of sin and cos. So again 2 will get cancelled. Only root 3 upon 1 will be there. So you can just simply write it as root 3. Again the next one is 1 upon 0. Now children pay attention. You are very well aware about this, that 1 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon 0 is not defined, or simply you can mention it by the symbol of infinity. All right. Now easily we can do the next 3, that is now cosec theta. Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta, right? So just take a reciprocal in mind or in rough, or you can, if you can directly write down, right? So one reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा 0 का? 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 means again not defined. You can give the symbol of infinity. So I'll just keep the fair part. I'll just for showing you the how it comes. We'll do rough part. Okay. Now Next one will be again a reciprocal of sine for the next value. So it is 2 upon 1, right? That means we can simply write 2. For the next one, it is root 2 upon 1. So we can simply write root 2. For the next one, the reciprocal is 2 upon root 3. And for the next one, reciprocal of 1 is always 1. All right. Now, similarly, we'll write for cosec theta, cos theta ka reciprocal, that is sec theta. You can extend your table. Okay. So cos theta, first value reciprocal will come 1 only. Second reciprocal will come 2 upon root 3. Next reciprocal will come root 2. Next reciprocal will come 2. And next reciprocal will be 1 upon 0, that is not defined, or that is infinity का symbol. अब जैसे हमने साइन के बाद कॉस के लिए किया था कि हमने डायरेक्टली रिवर्स किया, सेम यू कैन डू फॉर आफ्टर राइटिंग कोसेक थीटा, यू कैन डू फॉर सेक थीटा ऑल्सो. आप ये जो कोसेक थीटा का पूरी वैल्यूज का टेबल था वो आप एज इट इज रिवर्स फॉर्म में सेक के लिए लिख सकते हो. सी, this one value will come at first position, 2 upon root 3 value will come at second position, middle value will come as it is, then 2 value will come for second last, and infinity will come for last. So just to show you कि reciprocal से भी we can find the value for sec theta, and also cosec theta की values लिखने के बाद you can as it is reverse the sequence for the sec theta. Now the last one is cot theta. Last one is cot theta. Again, for that, you can take a reverse sequence of tan theta. Yeah, you can take a reciprocal of tan theta also. रिवर्स लेंगे तो डायरेक्टली इंफिनिटी लिख सकते हैं, और यहाँ पे भी देखो वैल्यू 0 है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, इंफिनिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट, tan का नेक्स्ट रेसिप्रोकल विल कम रूट 3, एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप रिवर्स पोजिशन से जाओगे सो इट विल कम रूट 3. So by any way, you just complete the table. I hope you got the idea. And now the next one is 1, because 1 ka reciprocal will 1. Next one is 1 upon root 3. Again, you can go by a reverse sequence, and the next one will be 0. And here we are done with the full table of writing trigonometric ratios for some specific values. I hope you liked it. और नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स के साथ जल्दी मिलूंगी. इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, प्लीज शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक. सी यू ऑल.